A fish uses its fins to push water backwards, and action-reaction force pairs make it possible for fish to swim.
This demonstrates Newton's third law of motion because as the balloon goes up, it pushes the air down. This is Newton's cradle. And it represents Newton's third law of motion, which is what we described earlier. Okay, so, Rebecca, can you please show them how Newton's cradle works?
Sure.
Okay.
Now we take this ball and we let it go. And as you can see, for every action, there's an opposite reaction.
Consider the flying motion of birds. The wings of a bird push air downwards. Since forces result from mutual interactions, the air must also be pushing the bird upwards.